Hi friends, with all your support and inspiration, our channel has touched 15,000 subscriber mark today. Always be with us so that our journey continues. Thank you. Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Hope you are safe and doing well. Train in rain. 2-in-1 high-speed actions during rain. Please watch till the end and consider subscribing. Thank you.
Passing from platform number 3. Please keep safe distance. 3 नंबर प्लेटफॉर्म से थ्रू ट्रेन गुजरेगी, कृपया निरापद दूरी पर रहिए। 3 नंबर प्लेटफॉर्म দিয়ে থ্রু ট্রেন যাবে, অনুগ্রহ করে নিরাপদ দূরত্বে সরে দাঁড়ান।
Thanks for watching. If you like our videos, please subscribe our channel and turn on all notification bell. Your likes, comments and share will inspire us. Follow us on Facebook and Instagram as SPD Rail Fan.